Fred.
Morning, Jen.
Looking good.
Thank you.
So we have this 20-foot swath that travels all the way down the driveway, ending with a retaining wall at the bottom. And what we wanted to do is fill the whole area up with plantings. And these plantings are going to be blooming throughout different times of year. We have 3 different types of viburnums. This is a Shasta Viburnum. It's going to be nice, and it'll get about 6 to 8 feet tall and wide. So it's going to fill up this entire space. It's going to bloom white in around May, and then it'll have berries for the birds in the late fall. And as it transitions down to this other viburnum, which is called a Judi Viburnum, and again, flowers white in the spring, different kind of berries. It's going to get about 4 to 5 feet tall and wide. Then we transition to endless summer hydrangeas, summer bloomer. The homeowner really wanted to have the round mop head type flowers, like the ball shaped flowers. This one's going to be about 4 feet tall, 4 feet wide. Over here, I like to repeat the plants so it has some flow to it and it connects both sides. These are rosebud azaleas. They're more of a dwarf, semi-evergreen azalea. They're going to bloom pink. The homeowner really loved the idea of having swaths of pink in the yard. And they're going to be a spring bloomer and hopefully all grow together as a mound so it looks like one piece. Okay, so over here we have a third viburnum. This is called a Viburnum opulus, and it's going to get about 3 feet tall. It has a really nice rounded flower head. It's kind of similar to what the blue hydrangea, the endless summer, is going to look like. And it's only going to get 3 feet tall, 3 feet wide, fill in this whole area, bloom white in the spring. So this is going to be a show of color in the spring, pinks and whites primarily. And then continuing down here, here we get to the retaining wall. So the homeowners are thinking about doing a stone veneer to cover this area. Another consideration was putting in plants at the front edge of the wall, but that would take a good 3-4 years for those plants to get established to grow over the wall. So I think a stone veneer might be the best option, but we'll see. Okay, in this middle section, it's primarily evergreen. Starting in this front row, we have a broadleaf evergreen. It's a low-growing rhododendron. It's called Rhododendron chinoides, and it's going to flower white in the early spring. And then, so that's a broadleaf evergreen. Transitioning up to, this is an Andromeda. It has this beautiful flower actually in the springtime, in I would say late April, early May. But then the flower heads stay on and have this beautiful red color. So it really adds character and interest to the area. It's a broadleaf evergreen. So these 2 plants are going to keep their leaves all season long. The back is going to have, we have 5 fern spray cypress. These will get about 25 feet tall and just really create this beautiful bright green backdrop for all these beautiful plantings. So none of these are gonna lose their leaves, and I'm gonna go help Fred get started planting this tree over here.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.